Welcome to the channel. Here's Trader Jan speaking. This is the market preparation market analysis for the 24th of November. I am recording that session on the 6th of December. I do a mass review now for about 2 weeks to train my skills for defining locations and reviewing the market. I've developed an indicator which shows me the market footprint, the market's liquidity, which was actually traded. So you see all these colorful things here on the screen. That's all about things which have been the volume which has been traded. Not like in Bookmap where the intention, the limit orders are being shown, but this one is a heat map which shows what volume has actually been traded. I'm a big fan of volume-based trading and order flow. So once the market goes into those areas, I monitor the order flow, what actually happens in terms of balance between passive and aggressive market participants. So let's stay in focus. We have the 1-day chart, which is here. We are currently in the intraday mode here. We have a very interesting location here, and this one is actually an area of potential resistance. So in terms of bias for the 24th of November, I'm like more inclined to say it's short because there has been quite if we get to this area here we see that we came from here and bounced off, came from here, bounced off, came here, bounced off. So those areas here, they are all support areas. Now we went through that area, we came back, and now we are here at this very area. So this area here is definitely something to watch. If the market now goes further up here, and then we are long. If the market goes down here and bounces back, then we are short. At the moment, too early to define. Looking at the hourly chart, a bit more in detail about our locations. We gonna check the locations we defined last time. And we've seen already in the review of the day that actually our locations have been pretty much on target. So I wouldn't change too much on the locations. There was one here, that's the closure of the current day. And this one seems to be a deciding point. Either the market goes back down here again or it goes up there. It looks a bit like the market's gonna have a little, is in a little bit of let's say price action wise speaking. It goes higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now it's like on the way, might move even further up. But since this area here has been an area of rejection already the days before, it might well be that the market goes actually up, goes actually down again. But location-wise, would I change anything? Let's review. This one was defined before. This one here, I guess not so much changes. Here I might consider actually removing that location. It's always an interesting thing to define those locations. And now the market comes from above, and here, since these have been resistance zone, now when the market comes back here, those might be areas where the market gonna find support and gonna go up there again. So other than that, I wouldn't change anything on those. And having, if that doesn't happen, that the market will find support here. It might be consolidating somehow here because there was a lot of volume here. There might be a lot of agreements between the market participants to exchange a little bit of money back and forth here. So that concludes the review of the or the market preparation for the 24th of November. We I would say it is either or. Either we go really it's the defining point here. Either this one is being, if we see a lot of volume here being exchanged and then the market presses down, okay, short, or the pressing up. So undecided. Let's see what they will bring. Wish you a wonderful day and see you down at the trading floor.